So here's how to fix too many tries on Steam. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the very end and don't skip any important steps. If you are encountering an issue of too many tries on Steam, it likely refers to too many login attempts or failed password entries. Here's what you can do to address this issue. Steam's security system might temporarily lock your account if there have been too many failed login attempts. In this case, you will need to wait for a period of time before trying to log in again. If you are having a trouble remembering your password or suspect that your account might be compromised, use the forget your password link on the Steam login page to initiate a password reset. Ensure that you are entering your username and password correctly. Remember that both are case sensitive. Double check your input before attempting to log in again. If you are still facing the issue, you can click on these three dots and then click on the settings option. After that, click on the go to Chrome settings. Then here at this page, you have to click on the privacy and security option from the left menu. Now here you have to click on the clear browsing data. Here take a look, you have to check these boxes and then click on the clear data option. Now go back to your login page and here you have to enter your email address and password and click on the sign in option. Then you will be able to successfully log into your Steam account. So that's how to fix too many tries on Steam.